Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this month in October, I'm already 2 years sa company ko, and this month is for renewal po tayo. Yay! And then I'm glad to say na 2 years na tayo. So another journey, another contract, and I'm so glad. Part ako ng company ko is really nice work, and also the management. Kaya magre-renew po tayo, and ito po yung gagawin ko is part siya sa bagong working visa dito sa UAE. So pupunta ako ngayon sa Taoji para mag-seminar. Siya yung part na malalaman mo kung ano yung mga rights mo, even though na-try ko na siya before sa my first contract. So same lang din siya ng gagawin or papanoorin. Parang seminar lang talaga siya. Same lang yung papanoorin kung ano yung magiging rights mo. Tapos after nyan, it's for medical, for your Emirates ID. Hi, Dr. Nimra.
Hi.
Is
Hi,
welcome
beautiful-
back.
Hi, beautiful Dr. Nimra.
Yeah. So, good morning guys. So, going to work po tayo. So, today is my medical. Pero papasok muna ako sa morning. Yeah, going to medical with Dr. Talha. Yes. Yes guys, so ngayon si Ate Maria is pasaway. Dapat ito yung uniform, tingnan mo. Ang kulay ng uniform niya. 'Di ba?
Lighter.
Dapat bukas 'yan eh. Ay, pasaway siya. Yan, ang aking partner. Seryoso siya, work. Totoo ba 'yan? Totoo ba 'yan talaga?
Sana nga.
Mag-hi ka naman sa vlog ko.
Hello, guys.
Kamustahin mo naman sila.
Oo nga, guys. Like and subscribe kayo.
Yes.
Sa page ni Bobby.
Yes. So, kunyari nagtatrabaho lang kami. Kunyari lang to, talaga. Joke lang talaga to. Hindi, joke lang din talaga yung sinasabi ko. Uy, pero malaki na ano natin nga, benta in 6 days. Pero, at
Meron
least
tayo
almost
bukas na
na.
procedure. Tatlo.
Pero, almost na naman na din.
Yeah.
So, not bad. So, meron kaming mga tina-target every month.
Yes.
So, piliin kaming petics lang, pero napipressure din kami. Kala lang ng iba, nagjo-joke lang kami, pero napipressure din.
Ralph Roxy. Kasi si Ralph Roxy Snowy. di ba, dental scaling.
Mm-mm.
Dalawa.
Titignan ko kung magkano na tayo today.
Ito nagpapakatipid to.
Oh, not bilin. Almost. Contribution na?
No, I'm not saying. No, every week we will do like this.
And the second week,
Every week, how
Every
come?
week, for example, first I will
do something
see.
there.
First I will do. Second Bobby will do. Third Dr.
Excuse
Nanda will
me?
do, Then fourth Maria will do. Then this continue.
Maria, Maria, it's been 2 years, nothing.
You know, the
No. This one we will start like this. Okay, it's good. We started already in like. She is supposed to wait. You learn everything.
Actually,
Matcha,
by the
only
second,
matcha?
no, the second week of November,
No.
if I do something,
Actually,
in
Doc
the
and how
want
we
this
still
one.
waiting for
I want
Maria.
something salty,
Doc,
oily, some.
we still waiting for Maria.
pizza.
Maria, we will still waiting for
First we
you.
will start with Maria, then we will discontinue.
Yeah.
Kalas.
Alas.
Big pizza.
So hi guys! So today I got my Emirates ID! Yay! Finally after 1 week. So mag-unbox tayo. Oh, another 2 years contract again. Ito na naman po tayo ang bobbing alipin ng salapi dito sa UAE. Yes, I got my Emirates ID. Okay, another 2 years. Yeah, thank you, Lord. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you for my next one. Thank you.